Surprise, surprise indeed.
Yes, and not all surprises are good. Give them a little background. We've been working with this supposedly buyer since October last year, and we kept
2025.
the communications open, texting, emailing, WhatsApp, and everything. And then he texted. Sabi niya,
Nag-text bigla.
after so many follow-ups, sabi niya, let's have coffee tomorrow at 9 o'clock. I have a surprise for you. I took it like a good sign, di ba?
Usually, surprise is a positive thing.
Oo, kasi second viewing yun na. And then
Positive, diba?
the last time we saw each other, ang ganda ng feedback niya dun sa unit.
Di
ba?
Yeah.
You saw it.
Yeah.
So sabi ko, look at this.
You showed me the text message.
Wow, look at this. So,
analyze this.
Paki-analyze.
So, for me, parang positive yun dahil after parang working on it, on the listing for quite some time. Mukhang
Oo, kasi I have a surprise for you. I'll bring
Yeah.
my partner. So ano pa ba yun?
Ano pa, di ba?
From the last viewing, okay kami. He liked it. Parang he was gonna make an offer verbally pa lang nung last time nakita kami.
So we were excited.
He said, I actually bought the unit above already.
Surprise!
What? That's actually the surprise.
Oh my God!
Oh, kahit na bad news for us, I had
Not so good news, di ba?
I had to keep myself parang as professional. I had to keep a
composed as
professional
possible.
face.
Yes.
So I said, really? Oh, so
What now?
what now? I wanted to show my partner the design of this unit because we want to envision it having white paint all over.
Or maganda kasi yung design ng
napakaganda ng unit na.
Price for
So
today.
we went upstairs. Syempre, you have to empathize with them. They're happy. They bought a unit. We asked them how much they bought it for, anong nangyari, circumstances. Apparently, they've been trying to buy it since 2022, but the seller kept rejecting their offer. But nung December, when they finally made an offer, siguro medyo natagalan na rin yung seller. The seller gave in rin to their offer. So, they closed the deal nung December. So, anong lesson dito? Although medyo nakaka-heartbreak siya, tsaka heartbroken din yung seller kasi syempre umasa din
medyo
kahapon.
ano pa bang surprise ito? Di ba parang typically yun eh. Parang
diba?
positive news nga.
So ako doon, ang lesson doon is not all surprises are good. You can be a diligent broker, following up constantly, even through the holidays, and still deals won't happen. I would love to see this unit renovated. So invite us for coffee or on your house blessing, so you can show us how you're gonna fix this. Sa akin, a client is a client.
Yes.
He may not buy from us today, but who knows, sabi ko nga sa kanya, when the time comes that you're ready to sell your unit, you let us know. Client pa rin yun.
Yeah, basta tayo as a real estate practitioner, just go on with what we are doing.
Consistently.
Do your best all the time. Pero admittedly, this is really one for the books. Talagang wow! Parang
surprise talaga. Okay lang yun. Tsaka nakakuha kami
talaga, guys.
ng information from the client na kung magkano niya nabili, anong naging transaction flow. So what we're gonna do now is
apply it. Yung parang
we're going to
take the lesson from there.
Yes, we're going to schedule a Zoom call with our seller naman to strategize and to move forward from this experience.
Yun.
Okay lang yan.
That's it.
Kaya natin
Happy
yan.
Friday, guys.
Rock on!
Surprise!
Cheers!
Rock stars, man.
Cheers!